Okay, we're gonna see if Penny likes this sling. If she wants to keep going with me places, she's gonna have to suck it up and go into one of these, because carrying her by hand all the time is really inconvenient. But I do want to take her. So this is kind of how it goes. So it's a sling, all right. So how are we doing this? So it'll be like that, I guess. Or maybe I'll do it the other way, like this. How's it gonna go? How do you wear a sling? Oh, like that. There we go. And then she'll go in here, and her face will stick out the end there. So let's see. This is great. Okay, let's go up. She daisy. Okie dokie. Okie dokie, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get in here. Oh. Zip you up with your little outfit on. So there we go. Now we're zipped up, and we can clip this, and she's got her little head sticking out there. What did I do with this? Sorry. I didn't mean to go around your head like that. And then I could cinch it up a little bit so she doesn't jump out. But look at that. Now I can go around places with Penny. Look at that. It's kind of cool. She just gets sitting there. She can just go with me to go eat or whatever and just hang out. This is the way to go. It's super comfortable. For sure. You like that, Penny? I think so, because then you get to go with me places. All right. That's good. See how easy it is to get her out of here when she wants to get free. There you go. Be free, Penny. Wait, let me fix this up. There you go. Be free. She doesn't want to get out. Good girl. Good girl. She likes little places like that, so she's a cutie. So this is it. So that was size large, and she's about 7 pounds or something, so seems good for her. Thumbs up. Where are you going? Get down.